There's a bunch of horses over here. Yeah, right. There's 3 of them. 3? I think a lot. There's chickens too. Just there's the cat. Does he like cook corn?
Yeah, he likes fish.
He's running so fast, Moco-chan. He needs raw fish. He needs raw fish. I have raw fish. I have 1.
You.
Okay, Moco-chan, you find me. I'm gonna follow him. Okay.
1 second.
There's pumpkins.
I'm gonna get more fish.
I just need 1 fish. Moco-chan, he's Siamese. He's Siamese.
Okay, 1 second.
I will die for this cat. Where? Oh, there you are. There's the cat. Do not take the cat for your own, Moco-chan. My cat.
Oh.
Oh! Okay, dropping the fish. Okay. Don't lose sight of the cat, okay, Moco-chan? I got the fish. Raw salmon. Okay.
There he is. There he is.
Ah! Yeah! Mama! Cute! Now you'll follow me forever. Ah! Look at the blue eyes.
Look at him.
How can I pet him? I don't want to punch him. Why couldn't
Name.
Kabocha?
Kabocha?
Yeah, because while I was chasing after him,
Orange though.
there were some pumpkins. So let's go find the pumpkins. There they are. 3 potatoes, Moco-chan.
Huh?
Kabocha's purring.
I can hear it. It's so loud. Where's Kabocha?
Kabocha's in bed. Ah! Wait. Move out of the way. Move out of the way. Hi. It's such a lazy Kabocha.
You're so loud, Kabocha.
Look at those paws. Look at the tummy, Moco-chan. Hi.
Kabocha.
Don't kick Kabocha.
I'm not.
Mama. I think that Kabocha wants the salmon. Okay, 1 moment, Moco-chan. Chickens are hungry too. There's a lot of chickens here. Okay. Now you have the fish.